Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Venmo for business referrals and tracking links, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in venmo.com and hit enter. Once the Venmo homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address or phone number associated with your Venmo account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you wish to stay signed in on this device, check the box that says Remember Me. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the Login button to proceed. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, check your email or phone for a verification code. Enter the verification code in the provided field and click Submit. After successful login, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the option labeled Business Profile. Click on Business Profile to access business-specific features. To set up referrals, find the section for referral links. Create a unique referral link by following the prompts provided. Once your link is generated, share it through suitable channels, such as email or social media. For tracking purposes, return to the Business Profile section. There, you will find analytics tools to monitor your referral link performance. Regularly check these analytics to assess your success and make adjustments as needed. Now you are all set to log into Venmo and manage your business referrals effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.